Most people want to make profit while trading binary options, and the reality is lots of people lose their money while trading binary options. There are few reasons that I have noticed, and in this video I am going to explain you those reasons, and if you understand that and implement in your trading strategy, it will be extremely helpful for you, and it can turn your losing account to a profitable account. So watch this video very carefully. First of all, I want to show you the two screenshots that I have taken from two of my VIP copy traders. And if you want some free binary signals, you can join my free Telegram channel that is in the description of this YouTube video. And if you want to copy my trades directly, then the instruction to join my VIP copy trading channel is also given in that free Telegram channel. So do join that channel. Now you can see these two screenshots. In here you can see the profitable trades are win rate is 80%, and here you can see profitable trades win rate is 49%. Both are profitable. Why? The simple reason is this account have just started to copy my trades recently, okay, and already he literally paid me $50 and have made like $492 back, okay. That is the fee that he have paid me is already covered. You can see in this account was literally in loss, okay. The trading profit was in minus, but I have given him personally some suggestion which he implemented, and it worked for me. Luckily it worked for me, and he was able to make up to this much profit, including my copy trading service. I mean, including the profit of my copy trading service also. And if you notice, most people have this kind of win rate, and if you have this kind of win rate, then one strategy that you need to include in your trading strategy, otherwise you are going to be in loss forever, and that is called compounding. Compounding is very simple thing that can turn your losing account into profitable account, okay, if you hit one right spot. So I'll explain you about the compounding right after some time, but before that, I regularly see some comments in my YouTube videos where they say like, now give withdraw proof of it. As you can see, I am showing you the real account. I can even refresh it or reload it. So I'm reloading the account, and as you can see, it is still at here. And if I need to withdraw it, then I can go to finance and click on withdrawal, and here you can see 1358.96. I can easily withdraw this fund by putting my USDT TRC20 address and click on continue. So now it's saying withdraw request has been sent. Your request has been queued. You will receive the fund within few days. And here you can see the fund have gone to 0. So these are the real funds that I am showing you. Okay, so now let's talk about compounding. Here is one of the video that I have published previously where I have shown how I was able to turn $3 into $1,000 in 5 minutes by using a new binary trading strategy, which is extremely simple. And what I will do is I will attach this exact video after this, and you can see this full video where I am doing compounding by investing $3 firstly, and whatever profit I get, I can combine that profit with that $3 and invest it, and whatever profit comes again I combine it and again invest it, and I have turned that fund into $1,058. And watch that video very carefully. I have also explained the exact strategy that I have used. And always make compounding one of your strategy to trade binary options. Otherwise, if you go to the loss and if you don't have the compounding strategy in the bunch of the strategy that you use while trading binary options, then you can keep on going in loss and never make profit. I'll keep quiet and attach this exact video. Watch it very carefully. Friends, I am extremely excited today because I was able to turn $3 into $1,058, as you can see here. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how I was able to do so. But firstly, some of in my previous YouTube videos, I saw that people are saying this is a demo account. So what I will do is I will do reload, and you can see this is not a demo account. Instead, it is a real fund. Okay, so watch this video very carefully because I am exactly going to show you how I was able to turn $3 into $1,058. And the strategy is extremely simple, which I'm going to explain you first, and then I'm going to show you the exact video where I was able to turn this $3 into $1,058. So get excited and relax and watch this video very carefully. So firstly you do is make all of this currency pair that has a decent payout of 92% and put all of these in here by making it yellow in this way. And then select the trading time frame as 10. That means each of these candles are forming in 10-second time frame. Another thing you need to do is you need to, if it is flag at here, make it clock and select the time frame as 5 and increase it to as 10. And this indicator you need to put, that is called parabolic SAR. So to put this indicator, just click on here and see where the parabolic SAR is. Here it is. Just click on parabolic SAR and it will be implemented at here. Now once you do this much, then the strategy is extremely simple. You just need to see whenever the parabolic SAR is forming above the candles, then that means it is a downtrend. And when you see this kind of strong momentum where the candles are going downwards forcefully, at that time you make trade by clicking on lower and then switch to another currency pair and see if the, let's see in another currency pair, let's switch to another currency pair. So like for example, if you see the parabolic SAR is forming below these candles and market is strongly going up, at that exact time you make trade by clicking on higher. The strategy is as simple as that. Now I will keep quiet and show you the exact video where I was able to turn $3 into $1,058 within few minutes. So watch this video very carefully.